Stainless steel is naturally corrosion resistant, but in demanding environments, it sometimes needs extra protection. Industries like medical, marine, and food processing rely on treatments that boost stainless steel's durability and lifespan. One of the most common methods is passivation. This chemical process removes free iron and surface contaminants, allowing the metal's natural protective oxide layer to form. Today, many companies use citric acid instead of nitric acid. It's safer, eco-friendly, and just as effective. Then there's electropolishing, an advanced electrochemical process that removes a thin layer of metal from the surface. It smooths out microscopic peaks, enhances chromium content, and leaves behind a bright, clean, and corrosion-resistant finish. The result? Stainless steel parts that perform better, last longer, and look exceptional. Other options include coatings, pickling, or even heat treatments depending on the application. But no matter the method, proper cleaning and preparation are key to ensuring lasting protection. At New England Electropolishing, we specialize in precision finishing, including citric acid passivation and electropolishing, to deliver stainless steel components that stand up to the toughest environments. Trust your parts to the experts in corrosion resistance.